Oh boy, this is Jack again on the boat with Chris and their madness.
Whoa! Getting seasick out here. Hitting the big waves. What a day, huh? Look at that beautiful
water. Is that
water.
recording?
Golden brown water. I mean golden blue.
That's recording right now.
Is it?
I think so.
Uh-oh. Up we go. Down we go.
What the heck is going on with all this brown crap out here?
Oh,
That's exactly what it is. Oh my lord! Are we fishing in this? Is this? Oh no! Look at the line. Oh no, that's nasty. It's going into the lure. You can't reel that up now. This shit'll be all in your fucking lure. Oh my lord!
Give me a headache.
That's fucking nasty.
Can you imagine the fish comes up all filled with shit? The fish took a shit.
Oh,
Chris, I tell you not to go overboard and take a crap. He was sick last night. Look, he diarrhea of the ass. Look at him. Look what he did, fucking Chris. 5 minutes out here.
Oh, no.
Contaminated the water.
This is rough.
Told you to go before you left. Uh-oh, they can listen to me.
Oh no. That's bad. Are we gonna have to wash the boat after this? I would assume so.
I was just gonna go kneeboarding. I don't know. Oh my God! Oh God! Get us out of here now. This is not funny. Get us the fuck out of here.
It'll pass.
I never seen.
It'll pass.
I can't. It's bad. It didn't pass out their ass. Now get us the fuck out of here. This is fucking disgusting. Oh my God! It's fucking.
It's coming in the fucking back. Turn the bilge on.
Smell. Look, there's MFG. Look how old that boat is.
That is like Patty's. That's got them high sides on it.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. He's gonna bite you. Damn, you're palming him.
Still picture?
Yeah, so I got it on the video. That was a still picture, right?
Another one bites the dust. Not doing too good today. Din din. Bye bye. Gotta go to store. Fish store.
Oh no.
And Chris pulled in his first fish.
That was pretty good.
How's that fight? Good fight?
Ah, pretty good.
The fight with the bait was like this.
And this is 1 hour later after the cruise. Rain. Big time rain.